Have you ever wondered what tools are required for game development? As it turns out, we need a lot more than just a game engine. Things like project management, storage, mood board, and the list goes on. Hi, I'm Victor, and today I'll share with you the toolset that I'm currently using for my 2D action game, The Tale of LUMI. Let's get into it. So let's start with the game development tools. Unity, Visual Studio, Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe XD. I think those are pretty well covered, so I don't think there's a need for me to over-explain them. If you got any questions, make sure to leave a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you. Okay, so now on to project management. And that part to me is crucial in game development. Me and my team are currently using ClickUp, Discord, Mega, and Miro. Okay, so those tools might not be as common as the other ones, so here's a quick breakdown on how we are using them. Okay, so let's start with ClickUp. This tool is amazing, and it has a pretty good free tier as well. And it's great to manage all teams' tasks as well as tracking versions. We also store our game design document in there to hold all the important game design information, and just look at how interactive it is. Okay, so Discord. This one is kind of obvious. It's a communication tool, easy to use, etc. To me, it's a must for devs working on teams, and the community feature might be interesting for those trying to find new places to broadcast their games. Mega. Not really much going on here, and I'm not 100% sold on this. We use it as a storage folder, as simple as that. Okay, so now on to Miro, and that's a tool that Eduarda, who is our 2D artist, suggested, and is actually great to use. We can do a lot with it, but we mainly use it as a mood board and for mockup reviews. So that's the overall view for all the tools that we're using to make our little indie game. Hopefully there's something interesting here that you can use, but are you using any tools that you'd love to share? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about our approach to design levels and challenges, you might find this video useful.